शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। अत सातत्यगमने धातु we have seen up to Ashirling. Now Lung Lakara. अत धातु अत प्लस लुंग भूते लुंग in सामान्य भूता general past. Then lasyati badayaha in the place of lakara tiptas etc. being parasmai pada at plus tip pa is it at plus ti itascha, since it is a ngit lakara, itascha e will be elided, only ta remains, takara remains. Now chali, since it is a lung lakara, chali lungi iti chali ad chali pratyaya comes at plus chali plus takara. Now chalehe sich, in the place of chali sich adesha, sich is substituted, sich pratyaya at plus sich. Sich is only sakara, e and cha are it. In bhudhatu the sich got elided by the sutra गातिस्था घुपा भूभ्यः सिचः परस्मै पदेषु, but here we don't have any sutra to elide sich, therefore sich will remain as it is. Therefore at plus sich sakara plus ta. Now sich being an ardha dhatuka, valadi ardha dhatuka, it takes it agama by ardha dhatuka syedvaladehe. Valadehe. Sich gets it agama, therefore at plus e sakara is plus the, it has come to sich. Now there is another sutra, we have to see the sutra. Asti sicho prakte. asti sicho prakte. We will see the sutra first. Asti sichaha. This is panchami vibhakti ekavachanam. Aprakte is saptami ekavachanam. Number 7396. Anuvritti hali eat. Yeah. Sarvadhatuke is there. Asti sichaha aprakte hali eat. Sarvadhatuke is not needed. It doesn't eat. Yeah. Angasya. Angasya. So even without Angasya it's fine. So we need not even worry about Angasya here. So Asti sichaha is samahara dvandva. Astihi cha sich cha asti sich. Tasmat asti sichaha. Asti. Asti is as dhatu plus stip pratyaya. As dhatu plus stip pratyaya becomes asti. It is a stip nirdesha. Therefore, asti means as dhatu. As dhatu. As bhuvi, there is a dhatu in dhatu patha. And the sich is pratyaya. Sich pratyaya. Aprikta. What is aprikta?
First final letter.
No.
Not together.
Single letter. Single.
Yeah. Aprikta ekal pratyayaha. A pratyaya which is just a single letter is called aprikta. Yeah. So aprikte is saptami, but it has to be converted into shashti. Apriktasya. It should be converted into apriktasya. Yeah. Asti sichaha. Parasya apriktasya halaha. Apriktasya halaha. Yeah. Hali also is halaha. It should become halaha. Eat agamaha bhavati. Yeah. Asti sichaha parasya. After asti. Asti means as dhatu. After as dhatu. And after sich. Asti sichaha parasya. After as dhatu and after sich. the aprikta hal means a single lettered pratyaya which is a hal. The single letter of the pratyaya has to be a hal. Then it gets eat, agama. And eat is, in eat, ta is it. Therefore, eat is tit agama. Being tit, where will it come? Before or after? Adyantau takitau. It will come before as the adi avayava of the aprikta pratyaya. Now, sometimes this sich may not be visible as in bhudhatu. The sich has got elided in bhudhatu. And sometimes even asti may not be there because the asadhatu takes the substitution of bhudhatu, bhu, when an ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows. We will see that later. Therefore, asti and sich are not there always. Either the sich may get elided or even the asti may get another adesha. At that time, we don't want this eat agama. Therefore, Varadaraja, not really Varadaraja, even before Varadaraja, Bhattoji Dikshita, he adds another word to this meaning of asti sicho pratyay. He adds vidyamanat. See the meaning in the sutra. In the book Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Asti sichaha aprikte. Yeah. See, he adds vidyamanat sichaha. The sich which is vidyamana means sich should be there, visibly there. It should not get elided. That kind of sich. And astescha, even asti also vidyamana, vidyamanad astehe. Vidyamanat sichaha, vidyamanat astehe cha parasya. After these two, either after vidyamana sich or after vidyamana asti, vidyamana asadhatu. Parasya, after that, apriktasya halaha, and aprikta hal, a hal which is aprikta. Eat agamaha, idagamaha, eat agama comes. Now, see, we have seen ata plus sich, sakara, is, e and sakara plus t. Now see, this takara is a pratyaya because it is a form of tip. It is tip pratyaya. And it is aprikta. Is it aprikta? How? Single letter, only one letter. If it is ti, it is not aprikta. Ti cannot be called aprikta. But when ti is gone, it is aprikta. So, ekal. And this is hal. This aprikta is a hal. and there is a vidyamana sich here, a sich which is visible, a sich is present, and it is followed by aprakta hal. Therefore, it takes eat. The aprakta hal takes eat agama. Asti sicho prakte. अस्ति सिचो प्रत्यय अत प्लस इस ईत. Yeah. Now there is another sutra. At plus is plus eat. We have to see another sutra. Ita iti. Itaha iti. Itaha is panchami ekavachanam. Iti is saptami ekavachanam. Number
8 to 28.
228.
28.
Yeah. Anuvritti.
Asya. Lopa.
Sasya lopaha. Itaha. Yeah. Parasya. Sasya means sakarasya. Lopaha. Iti pare. Yeah. Itaha parasya. After it. Sasya. Sakarasya. Sakara which follows it. Lopaha. It gets elided. When iti pare. When it follows. The sakara which follows it gets elided when it follows. That means the sakara is between it and it. Then it gets dropped. It gets crushed between it and it. It disappears. See the book. Ita iti. Itaf parasya. Sasya lopaha. Syad iti pare. Itaha parasya sasya lopaha syat. Iti pare. So now see, this is it and this is it. Sakara is in between. Itaha iti. Ita iti. Number 28. So sakara gets elided. At plus e plus eat. At plus e plus eat. Now see, between E and E, what will happen? Between E and E. Huh? सवर्ण दीर्घ अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः अकः सवर्णे दीर्घः. What is the number of अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः?
61101.
See, now we have to think something now. What is the number of itaha et? 8 to 28. It is in Tripadi. Akassavarne dirgha is 6-1. It is Sapada Saptadhyayi. Sapada Saptadhyayim prati Tripadi asiddha. Purvatra siddham. Therefore, what is done by itaha et is not recognized by Akassavarne dirgha. Now, itaha et has elided this sakara, but it is not recognized by Akassavarne dirgha. Therefore, Akassavarne dirgha is a sakara here. Therefore, it says no, there is a sakara in between. So, Akassavarne dirgha cannot work. But this, what do you call? After Panini, there was a Vartikakara. In fact, it has to happen. Savarna dirgha has to happen. Otherwise, we don't get a desired form. But if you look into Ashtadhyayi, just Ashtadhyayi, it is not happening. So the way has to be cleared. Therefore, Katyayana, Vartikakara clears the way for Akassavarne dirgha. He says, Sijjalopa ekadeshe siddho vachyaha. Sijjalopa. The elision of Sitch should be considered as Siddha when Ekadesha has to be done. In fact, Akassavarne dirgha is Ekadesha. Savarna dirgha is Ekadesha. Because if you look into that section, 6.1 section, Ekaf Purvaparayoho, it is under the Adhikara Ekaf Purvaparayoho. Purvaparayoho dirgha ekaha adeshaha. Go back to Sandhi section and see. Therefore, it is Ekadesha. So, Ekadeshe kartavye. When Ekadesha has to be done, then the Sitchlopa has to be considered as Siddha. So, Sitchlopa Ekadeshe Siddho Vachyaha. We will see the Vartika in the book. See, Sijjalopa ekadeshe siddho vachyaha.
Sijjalopa ekadeshe siddho vachyaha.
Yeah. So, Sitchlopaha, the elision of Sitch, the lopa of Sitch, ekadeshe kartavye. When ekadesha has to be done, siddho vachyaha. The Sitchlopa has to be mentioned as Siddha. It has to be stated as Siddha. Panini has missed out saying this. It is not there in Ashtadhyayi, pure Ashtadhyayi, if you see. So that is the work of Vartika. Because Anukta, there may be certain Anukta which are not mentioned in Ashtadhyayi. That is told. Anukta is told in Vartika. Uktanukta duruktanam chintayatra pravartate. That is Vartika. Ukta, Anukta, Durukta. All three has to be told in Vartika. Ukta, what is already told, it has to be clarified sometimes. sometimes anukta, not told at all, but it has to be told, it is told in Vartika. And sometimes durukta, it has been wrongly told, then it has to be corrected. No, it has to be this way. So, Sijlopa ekadeshe siddho vachyaha. This Vartika clears the way for Akassavarne dirghaha. Therefore, Savarna dirgha happens. At plus eat. Yeah. Now, there is a lung following. Therefore, this anga gets lung lang lung shvadudattaha. But then there is an exception. Ad ajadinam. At being ajadi, it takes at agama instead of at. Therefore, ad ajadinam a plus at plus eat. So, atascha, this will get vriddhi, atascha. Vriddhi, at plus eat, atit. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So, lung prathama purusha ekavachanam is atit. Now, prathama purusha dvivachana form at plus lung in the place of lung tas. So, tasthasthamipam tantantamaha. Therefore, tam adesha comes. At plus tam adesha and sich agama and it, all those things are same as at plus is. This is same as previous one. Sich plus it, tam. So it is simple. Now there is nothing much to do. Here eat will not come. Why eat cannot come? Because it is not aprakta. So no eat. Therefore, now of course art will come. Art plus at plus is plus tam and atascha vriddhi atis plus tam. Yeah, now see this sakara was sich. This is sakara of sich. And sich is a pratyaya. Therefore, this is a pratyaya avayava sakara. A pratyaya avayava sakara. And it is preceded by in. I. E is in. Therefore, it will get shatva by adesha pratyayayoho. Yeah. Atish tam. Atish plus tam. Now what will happen? Sha plus the shtunashtuhu. Yeah, shtunashtuhu. Ta becomes a ta. Atishtam. Atit atishtam. Now for
Last two sutras are in Tripadi.
that's fine. That's fine. There is nothing preventing the application of Tripadi. Yeah, that's fine. If there is any Sapada Saptadhyayi applying after Tripadi, then we have to consider.
Even anything previous to that also.
No. Previous see Sapada Saptadhyayim prati Tripadi asiddha. Tripadim prati Sapada Saptadhyayi siddha. You analyze that. So you have to see whether anything conflicts. Then you can find out. Yeah, this is Adesha Pratyaya.
Adesha Pratyayoho is
Yeah.
8-3.
Yeah. Shtunashtuhu is after that. 8-4. Yeah.
So that is
8-4 is asiddha to 8-3. But 8-3 is siddha to 8-4. That's why after Adesha Pratyayoho you can apply Shtunashtuhu. After Shtunashtuhu Adesha Pratyayoho cannot be applied. Because it is asiddha. Shtunashtuhu is asiddha for, okay, we'll write the number of sutras. 8-3, 59 and 8-4, 41. See. Yeah. Tripadyamapi purvam shastram prati param shastram asiddham bhavati. Na to param shastram prati purvam shastram. So, Purva Shastra, this is Purva Shastra, this is Para Shastra within Tripadi. So, with respect to this is asiddha. See, when this has to apply, this is not needed now. So, Atis plus Tam, fine. Then this will see this as Sha only, Shtunashtuhu. Because this is siddha for this. And we have to see another sutra for Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. We have to see another sutra. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. Vidibhyaha cha. Panchami Bahuvachanam. Number
34109.
Anuvritti. Yeah, J hai jus. Yeah, sich. Abhyasta. विधिभ्यः च परस्य झेः स्थाने जुस् आदेशः सिच अभ्यस्ता and vidhi, these three. Sich, you know, sich is pratyaya, sich pratyaya. Then abhyasta, what is abhyasta? Ubhe abhyastam, we have seen in Subanta. Abhyasta sanya, yeah. When doubling has happened, then which is abhyasta?
One is a bit doubled.
Yeah, both are together called abhyasta. Both together are called abhyasta. The previous one is abhyasa. Yeah, see, we have a doubled bhu in lit, bhu plus bhu. Okay, bhu. See, when doubling has happened, this one is called abhyasa. This is called abhyasa, the purva. Purvobhyasaha, the preceding one, the first one is called abhyasa. Both collectively are called, these two collectively are called abhyasta. This is collectively called abhyasta. Just this is called abhyasa. These two together are called abhyasta. Ubhe abhyastam purvaha abhyasaha. So that is abhyasta. We are not talking about abhyasa. We are talking about abhyasta. So abhyasta means double. A doubled one is called abhyasta. And vidhi, so vidhi is a dhatu. Vidajnane dhatu. Vidhi, V, vid plus ik pratyaya becomes vidhi. This is vidajnane dhatu. Which is there in Adadigana. Vetti. What is vetti? Knows. Janati ityartha. Vidya. Veda. All are derived from this. Vidajnane dhatu. So after sich and after abhyasta and after vidhi, vidadhatu, jhi in the place of jhi, jhi is jhe is shashti vibhakti of jhi, tiptas jhi. In the place of jhi, jus adesha comes. Jus adesha bhavati. See the book. Sichaha, sorry. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. Sichaha abhyastat videscha parasya ङित् संबंधिनः झेर्जुस् सिचः अभ्यस्ताद् विदेश्च. After these three, ङित् संबंधिनः झेः जुस्. Sorry, ङितः लस्य. There is a, in the anuvritti, we have to take other two things. ङितः लस्य. ङितः लस्य. Yeah. परस्य ङितः लस्य. It is coming by jumps. Sometimes it jumps. Manduka pluti. Anuvritti happens in three ways.
Is there.
Lasya is
Three, four,
one.
seven.
Yeah. ङितः लस्य झेः स्थाने जुस्. आदेशः. ङितः लस्य. Yeah. After sich, abhyasta and vidhi, a ङित् lakara. If there is a ङित् lakara, then the G of the ङित् lakara gets jus adesha. That's why he says ङित् sambandhinah lasya. ङित् sambandhinah jhehe. सिचः अभ्यस्ताद् विदेश्च परस्य ङित् संबंधिनः. A G which has come in the place of a ङित् lakar. It is called ङित् sambandhi G. Jus agama. So jus being anekal. How many als are there in jus? No. See, jus is a pratyaya. So pratyayasya adi chutu. There is a chutu. Ja is it by chutu. Only us remains. Only two als are there. Two means aneka, not eka. So being aneka, anekal, anekalshit sarvasya, sarvasya jheha sthane adesho bhavati. Therefore it replaces entire G. Therefore at plus G in the place of G, since it is, now it is G only. See, at plus sich. Sich is sakara. G becomes us. Okay, let us G. Then sijabhyasta vidibhyascha. Sijabhyasta vidibhyascha iti at us. Now rest of the process is same as before. This plus us. This much is same. This side you can derive the same way. Now this sakara becomes a shakara. Adesha pratyayoho. Atish us. Atishuhu. Atishus. Then rutva visargau atishuhu. Atit atishtam atishuhu. and madhyama purusha ekavachana sip at plus sip only sakara will remain because of itascha. Then sich will come, at plus sich sakara plus another sakara, at plus sakara plus sakara. Now the sich will get it, therefore at plus is plus sakara, and sakara being aprikta, it will come, at plus is plus is, at plus is plus is. Now ita et, the first sakara will go, at plus e plus is. Now savarna dirgha, at is. Now at agama, atascha vriddhi, at plus is, atis, and rutva visargau, atihi. Simple, more or less like the first one, atit. And atishtam, tasthasthamipam tantan tamaha, atishtam, madhyama purusha dvivachana. And atishta, simple, madhyama purusha bahuvachanam. And in uttama purusha ekavachana adesha will happen, tasthasthamipam tantan tamaha adesha, and the rest are same, atish, atish plus atisham. And in uttama purusha dvivachana vas, sakara will get elided by nityam ngitaha, therefore only va will remain. Rest are same, atish, atish plus va, atishva, and atish plus ma, atishma. So atit, atishtam, atishuhu, atihi, atishtam, atishta, atisham, not atishtam, atisham, atisham, atishva, atishma. That is lung. Then lrit lakara, sorry, lring lakara, lrit we have seen. Lring lakara, there is nothing big, very more or less like bhudhatu. So at plus tip, at plus lring, in the place of lring tip, at plus tip, then itascha, only takara will remain, at plus takara. Then syatasil rilutoho, sya will come, this is lring, sorry, therefore sya will come, at plus sya plus takara. Then sya being ardhadhatuka and valadi, it takes it agama, therefore at plus isya plus the takara. Then lung lang rang shvadudattaha, adajadinam at agama, at plus isya plus takara. Then atascha vriddhi, at plus isya plus takara. If you combine, it will become atishyat, atishyat, atishyatam, atishyan, atishyaha, atishyatam, atishyata, atishyam, atishyava, atishyama. So at dhatu also is complete. So next is Shidhagatyam dhatu. It is also another dhatu in Bhadigana. It is Udatta Udattet dhatu. If you look into dhatu patha, you will find Udatta Udattet. See, look into dhatu patha. Where is it you find, first of all? Shidha dhatu. See, first of all, you have to look into the index. Yara, lava, sha, sa, ha, sha. Where is it? Sha. Shidha. So, Bhadigana 39. That is how it is written in the index in my book. Yours also is same, yeah. So Bhadigana 39. So go to Bhadigana and number 39 in Bhadigana. Bhu is 1, Edha is 3. So 39 you have to find. Number 39. You will find Shidhagatyam. Yeah. So after Shidhagatyam, in that list, last you will find, before starting another atha, that is page number 6 in this book, 62. Atadayaha udattaha udattetaha udattetaha. You found a line. Atadayaha udattaha udattetaha. So that means starting from atadayaha, all these dhatus up to shundha shuddhav, all these dhatus are udatta and udattet. So they are udatta udattet dhatus starting from ata. That means, see, Shidha, how many? This is Anunasika. This dha. How many vowels are there? One is E, another is A of dha. Now, this is udattet, means this it, which is the A, is udatta. The swara of this is udatta. This is udatta swara. And therefore it is udattet dhatu. Now there is another swara, another vowel in the dhatu. And the swara of that vowel is udatta. That is also udatta. Therefore this dhatu itself is called udatta dhatu. So it is udatta dhatu means the vowel in the dhatu, which is not it, is udatta. And it is udattet means the it in the dhatu is udatta. Therefore it is called udatta udattet. You won't find it in that book. Dhatu Patha you should get. It is Dhatu Rupa Manjari. Shidha is udatta udattet. And the meaning is gatyam. Gatyam. It is used in the sense of gati, movement. So being udattet, it does not have a nimitta for atmanepadi, for being atmanepadi. What are the nimitta for being Atmanepadi? Yeah, either it should be Swaritangitaha Anudattangita Atmanepadam. Anudattet, or it should be Nit. Then it is Atmanepadi, because it will take Atmanepada pratyas. Or Swaritanyitah Kartrabhipraye Kriyaphale. If it is Swaritet, or if it is a Nyit, then it will take Atmanepada pratyaya under certain conditions. Kartrabhipraye Kriyaphale. Then it becomes Ubhayapadi dhatu. We call it Ubhayapadi. Panini doesn't call it Ubhayapadi. We called it Ubhayapadi. So this is neither Atmanepadi dhatu nor Ubhayapadi, because neither conditions are there. Therefore it is a Parasmaipadi dhatu. Therefore in Kartari, Sheshat Kartari Parasmaipadam, it will take only Parasmaipada pratyayas. We'll see in the next class. Nrittavasane natarajarajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shivasutrajalam.